Savannah Hayes of Environmental Engineering and Technology here. I'm going to show you how to use the control chart tool with an example. A control chart is a statistical tool developed to manage manufacturing processes by monitoring parameter variability. For utility operators, it can help to properly evaluate whether water quality parameters are staying within an acceptable range and can also help eliminate unnecessary or exaggerated adjustments. First, you will need a data set that can be copied and pasted into Excel easily. It should include 1 data point per day at the most and 4 data points per month at the least. You always want to make sure that macros are enabled when you open the tool. The tool should prompt you with a notice like this. You're going to want to click on Enable Macros, or else the tool will not work properly. This is the start page that you saw when you opened the control chart tool. From here you can learn more about control charts by clicking here. Launch this tutorial again by clicking here, or proceed to the tool by clicking here. This is the main menu. From here you can launch the tutorial again by clicking the orange button, or get started with step 1. In step 1, you're going to want to copy and paste your data into cell A2. Once this is done, you can click the red button on the right. Before that, you'll notice that I have daily data entered here. Now that step 1 is complete, return to the main menu and click step 2. A user form will show up where you can enter a name to describe your data or parameter. You must also describe the frequency that your data set has entries. You can choose I have data with at least 4 points in a week, I have data with at least 4 points in a 2-week period, or I have data with at least 4 points in a month. You can also choose whether you would like to view mean or median plots. Once this is done, click Save. Your data is now ready to be viewed. From here, you can view either plot, mean or median, using the green buttons on the right. You can also launch descriptions of these plots using the orange buttons on the right. Let's take a look at the median plot. This is a control chart of the example data that I just entered. For this example, I entered daily data and therefore a 7-day grouping was used, as you can see indicated in the title. The green line shown here is the median of all the 7-day group medians. The red and purple lines shown here are the upper and lower control limits. These are based upon the median of the group median, the range of the data, and the average group size. The median of each 7-day group is plotted as the blue boxes, shown here. The median of the groups are used instead of individual data points. If you use individual data points, that can result in an operator trying to control variability that is inherent to the process, which may then lead to overcorrections. This example shows you an instance where there were overcorrections made. You can see by the trough and peak in the data that corrections were made and maybe a little too much that brought it back above the median line. From here, you can return to the main menu and view the mean plot. You can also clear your data and start over, or learn more about how to interpret your plot. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me personally. Thank you for watching. Now that you're done with the tutorial, you can return to the file and view the data that we just saw in the tutorial by clicking the green graph buttons on the right of the main menu.